This is a review of Alcoba Ocean View at Unico 2087 in Riviera Maya, Mexico. Did you notice the hats? These are yours to keep, and an artist comes out and will paint them for free. Okay, so we've stayed at a lot of hotels where robes are available, but we have never stayed in one that the robes were made of the same material as sweatshirts, and to be honest, pretty comfortable. Now the minibar has some nice amenities. My favorite is the Nespresso, which I've never seen in any hotel we've stayed at before. Usually they have the small drip coffee pot. The room itself is nicely decorated, and you'll find a lot of attractive detail. From the tapestry on the wall to the hand-woven lamps hanging from the ceiling. Although I have to admit, the coffee table was my absolute favorite feature, and the bed was uber comfortable. The bathroom was beautiful, and the attention to detail was absolutely apparent in the design, construction, and beautiful functionality. Plus, they provided slippers with their longitude and latitude, as with their name, Unico 2087. We also like that they provide local soaps, shampoos, conditioners, body washes, and an assortment of other items that you might need, like a shower cap, travel razor, not the best for people with thick beards like me, sewing kit, toothbrush, etc. The view from the window is very nice, and you can just see the Caribbean waters if you look to the left. Our room was situated in the middle on the left-hand side, very close to the pizza oven, the Al Pastor tacos, and a nice bar, which served almost anything you want to drink. Our balcony was absolutely beautiful, and we loved the soaker tub. As you can see, it's very well maintained. Because it was so hot, and the mosquitoes love the way we taste, we didn't spend a lot of time outside on the balcony, but we noticed others taking advantage of the beautiful view. Overall, this is a beautiful room and very comfortable. So this is important for those of us who bring equipment. The power is standard 110, so you should consider bringing a power strip or extension cord. As always, if you like our videos, please click like, subscribe, and then the little bell next to subscribe. That way you can receive the notifications when new videos come out.